Mastering Kitchen English. Understanding, bring to the boil. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into a phrase that's common in cooking contexts. Bring to the boil. If you're interested in cooking or just want to expand your English vocabulary, this video is for you. Let's get started. The phrase, bring to the boil, refers to the process of heating a liquid, usually water or a sauce, until it starts to bubble and steam, indicating that it has reached its boiling point. This is a common instruction in recipes and cooking shows. It's important to understand this phrase as it's often used in cooking-related contexts. Understanding the boiling process is crucial. When a liquid is heated, its temperature rises. Boiling happens when the liquid reaches a temperature where it starts to change from a liquid to a gas, forming bubbles that rise to the surface and burst, releasing steam. This is what we call boiling. In cooking, bringing a liquid to a boil is often a key step in preparing a dish. In recipes, bring to the boil is often followed by other instructions like simmer or add ingredients. For example, a recipe might say, bring the broth to the boil, then add the vegetables. This means you first need to heat the broth until it boils before adding other ingredients. This step is essential in many cooking processes. There are variations of this phrase that you might encounter. Phrases like, bring to a rolling boil, or bring to a rapid boil, indicate a more vigorous boiling action, where the bubbles are larger and more frequent. On the other hand, a gentle boil refers to a lower intensity boiling with smaller, less frequent bubbles. And that's all about bring to the boil. We hope this video has helped clarify this common cooking term and added a new phrase to your English vocabulary. Cooking can be a fun way to learn a language, and understanding these terms makes the process even more enjoyable. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!